Guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm Julius. I'm hosting this genius boy by the name of
Max.
Max is a genius in geography. So, with me here is a total of 23 questions, geography questions, of which I allot. I just asked him random questions, then I light down the questions. So I know everything that is here. He get it. These are just questions. There is no answer. So even if I give him this paper, he can't even copy any day. So I know out of all these questions, I'll be asking him the random questions, not from question 1 going down. I'll just be picking the questions randomly. Are you good? Yeah. Are you fit?
Yeah.
Mbona unaongea pole pole?
Yeah.
Ongeza sauti.
I am.
You are good, eh?
Yeah.
So, and where it needs an explanation, I'm sure he will explain for us.
Yeah.
So, question number 1, Max. Hi. The questions are based on the geography, solar system, and the universe. So, we start with question number 1. What is a solar system?
Solar system is a total of 8 planets and their moons and their orbits around their star.
Guys, pardon them. Some of them don't know English. Pardon them so that they can search.
There are 8 planets and their moons and their orbit around their star.
Guys, if you want to confirm, you can go ahead and confirm the answer. Otherwise, me, I'm already satisfied because I know. Question number 2. Which is the largest planet in the solar system?
The largest planet is Jupiter.
Jupiter.
Yeah.
So, why do you think Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system?
It's the largest gas giant in the whole solar system.
Guys,
Yeah.
have you ever heard even of giant? Giant what?
Gas giant planet.
Gas giant planet.
Yeah.
Geography teachers can confirm gas giant planets and tell us. Me, I don't know, but I just know the answer is correct. So, the other question is, Max, are you ready for this question?
Yeah.
Hi. What happens when the moon comes near the earth?
When the moons come too close to Earth, Earth's gravity tears the moons into pieces, and then those rocks of the moon will make rings around the Earth, which will block sunlight, and it will be dark and cool forever.
Damn! Hear that? Can you hear that? Will you just pardon? Some of them may say, like you are leading somewhere. Look at the camera and just tell them direct. What is there? Mm-hmm. What will happen when the moon comes close to the earth?
When
just
the moons come close to Earth, it will be broken into pieces because of Earth's gravity, and those pieces of rock will form rings around the Earth, more like Saturn. And then those rings will block sunlight, and it will be cool and dark forever.
Wow. According to me, I have done my research on that question. Everything he said, I just know it's correct. So, what about you? What do you think? So, the other question is, which is the coldest planet in the solar system?
The coldest planet is not Neptune, it is actually Uranus.
So, I want you to explain for us why Neptune is cold and it's the one that is closer to the sun.
You mean Uranus?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, why? Which one comes before the other?
Uranus comes before Neptune.
So, which is the coldest?
Uranus.
So, guys, I want to ask him another question. Uranus, you can just arrange the solar system how it is. Uranus comes before Neptune. Guys, which one do you expect to be colder? Is it Uranus or Neptune? So, which one is colder?
Many of you may think it's Neptune, but it's not Neptune.
Okay.
It's Uranus.
Many of you could think it's Neptune, but it is Uranus, and Uranus comes in front of
Neptune.
Neptune. Would you kindly give us a brief why that may happen?
Well, you see, a long time ago, something large crashed into Uranus with so much force that it tips Uranus on its side. That's why Uranus rings are like this instead of like that.
What he's saying. So guys, me personally, what do you think? You can just comment down. They can just comment down their answers, and we see you. So another question, Max, I want to ask you.
Go ahead.
How many planets are there in the solar system?
Well, approximately there has to be 9.
There has to be 9.
But Pluto is no longer a planet, so there are 8 of them.
Okay. Everyone have everyone, like, gosh, kizungu inapotea. Everyone has his or her own something that he likes. So if we just pick randomly, which is your best and your favorite planet in the solar system?
If you ask me, my favorite planet is Saturn because of its massive, beautiful rings.
Yeah.
Comment down your favorite planet.
Oh, damn!
And your favorite planet. So according to Max, it's your favorite.
My favorite is Saturn.
Is Saturn because it has beautiful
Massive
rings. That's according to Max. Max is a genius in geography. Even if you ask me what are those, I could not tell you what my favorite planet is, so I don't know. Max, another question is this. Higher. Which is the largest asteroid in the solar system?
Well, the asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter, halfway those two planets. The largest asteroid ever is Ceres. It was large enough. It was classified as a dwarf planet.
So, oh my God! Wow! Ceres.
Yeah.
So, if I'm not wrong, the spelling for Ceres must be
C E R E S.
Guys, you can go in Google. Everyone has Google. You can go and search which is the biggest asteroid in the solar system. You can just go and. So I heard you say something of dwarf planets. Yeah, dwarf planets. So that I don't have that question here, but I can ask you another question. How many dwarf planets are there in the solar system?
5.
Guys, you can just get into your Google and just search. How many dwarf planets?
5.
Nice.
Solar system. Would you kindly tell these guys the names of the 5 dwarf planets in the solar system?
The first one is Haumea.
Okay,
the second
let's go slowly. The first one is
Haumea.
Guys, have you ever heard something of that? Haumea. The second one?
Ceres.
What
we just talking about.
Yeah.
The next one is Aries.
The
next one is Pluto.
The last one is
Make.
What?
had something like make. You can just get into your Google and check the 5 dwarf planets in the solar system and comment down which one are the 5 dwarf planets in the solar system. So we repeat again. They can also say we are just Googling everything. So just tell them when looking in the camera.
First we have
Haumea. Make.
And then we have Aries.
Pluto.
And then Ceres.
Just search. I'm done with that question. You can comment down what you know about that. So, higher. Another question. How many planets in the solar system that have rings?
Well, most of you would think it's only 2. Uranus and Saturn.
So, most of you would think it's 2.
But other of you would think it's 1 because only Saturn's rings are visible. very no, the other ones are not really visible, but the planets are not 2 or 1. They are 4.
4 of them.
All the last 4 planets are ice and gas giants are have rings.
So
Which is Neptune, Uranus, Saturn, and Jupiter.
yes.
Uranus has 13 rings, but only 11 of them are visible.
Guys, you can just hear the flow of the genius boy here. This guy is a genius. This guy is really a genius. So, hi. Maxwell, I have another question. Which is the largest moon in the solar system? Guys, listen to this. Which is the largest moon in the solar system?
The largest moon in the solar system belongs to Jupiter or Saturn. It may be Titan or Ganymede.
Bruh, look at this dude.
This. Which is the largest moon in the solar system? The largest moon.
The largest moon is
Yes.
Ganymede.
Yeah.
Wait a minute. Who are you?
Tell them.
Ganymede.
Ganymede. You can just go and check in your Google and just see which one. Our director can check it for us and tell us if it's correct. It's Ganymede. I'm astonished as you are because this guy here is a genius and I don't have answers here. You can just check. Well, these are just questions. These are just questions, no answers. Hi, another question. It is here. Hi, I'm checking for a hotter question. Okay, Max, here is a hot question.
Yeah.
Are you ready? Which are the sister planets in the solar system?
Well, the sister planets are the second and the third planet, which are Venus and Earth.
Why?
They are called sister planets because they share the same shape. They're almost the same shape within Venus being a little too small.
Our director is just checking if the answers are correct because me personally I don't know the answers, but I know this guy can't just sit in front of camera and lie to us. You can go ahead and check. Me personally I've already checked on that. Okay, Max, what is okay, I'll ask you this question, I'll just twist it. Okay. Name the ray that prevents us from getting direct ultraviolet rays from the sun. Name that ray.
Well, that layer is called ozone layer.
Guys, it's called ozone layer. Many of you may, even if you ask many of you, you won't know.
Hey, that's pretty good.
Called. Okay. Have another question here. Okay. Which is the hottest planet in the solar system?
The hottest planet, many of you would think it's Mercury, but it's not Mercury.
Huh?
It's Venus.
So guys, let me cut you short. Mercury comes before Venus. So Mercury is the first one in the solar system.
And it's the closest to
And
us.
it's the closest to the sun. But many of you, according to Max, would think Mercury is the hottest. But
Venus is.
Venus is. So explain to us how that works.
You see, Venus has a thick atmosphere that traps heat. That's why it became from a habitable planet to a hot planet. Yeah, if you check the picture of Venus a couple of billion years ago, it looks exactly like Earth.
Oh my God! Wow! So, I'll keep on saying, this little man here can't keep in front of camera, sit in front of camera and lie to us. So what I know is the guy is just telling us the truth, the whole truth, but Haya, another question. Here it comes. I want you to explain for us the theory of Pluto. Okay.
Okay, once Pluto was classified as a planet, but in 2005 it was classified as a dwarf planet because it was very small that it couldn't clear its orbit. Many space rocks could start orbiting around Pluto and become moons. That's why it was too small to become a planet, and that's why it was classified to a dwarf planet.
Hi. Max, here is another question. Would you kindly name all the planets in the solar system?
According to their orbits,
From the
first
to the last one.
in the first place we have Mercury, which is the closest to the sun. And the second place we have Venus,
Venus.
the sister of Earth. And the third we got Earth, our planet.
Of course.
The fourth we got Mars, the red planet. And fifth we got Jupiter, the gas giant planet. After Jupiter we have Saturn, the second largest gas giant. After that we have Uranus, the coldest planet. After that we have Neptune, the twin brother of Uranus.
Guys, did you hear him mention Pluto? Just know where he classified Pluto. Where did you classify Pluto?
As a dwarf planet.
As a dwarf planet. That's the solar system. Okay, Max, I have another random question. It's not written here, but I can ask you. In the history of solar system, have you ever heard of another planet that can support life?
No.
Guys, I'm asking you a question also. In the history of solar system, because I know most of you did geography.
Within a billion years ago, it could be Venus or Mars. If both of those planets were habitable at that time.
Did we answer which is the largest and the second largest planet in the solar system?
No.
Okay, you can answer that.
The second, the largest and the second largest are the two giant gas planets, which are, in first place we have Jupiter, and then we have Saturn. Can even classify all the planets within shape.
You can?
Yeah.
Okay, please do that for us.
The first place we have Jupiter.
Jupiter.
The second place we have Saturn.
Saturn.
The third place we have Uranus.
Uranus.
Fourth we have Neptune.
Neptune.
Fifth we have Earth. Sixth we have Venus. Seventh we have Mars. Eighth, the last one is Mercury.
Mercury.
Yeah.
So there you have they've classified them as
With the shape.
with the shape.
The size.
The size. Oh, the size. Mercury.
Yeah.
Guys, you can just go and check the arrangement according to the size of the planets. How many gas giant planets are there in the solar system?
Many of you would think two.
Many of you would think two. Tell us more.
But that's not the actual That's not the actual answer.
That's
There
not
are actually four.
the actual form.
Those planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune.
Neptune.
Yeah.
Those are the gas giants in
Gas
the solar
planets.
system.
Yeah.
What? Guys, you have those are just the sample questions that I was able to get randomly to just test this guy. We'll just come up with another video of this guy answering some other heavy questions. That was just a starter by, right?
Yeah.
Where did you learn all this geography from?
I search them
You search them where?
at YouTube. Yeah. And Google most of the time.
Google. So you know how to use the computers.
Yeah.
What do you like doing during your free time?
I like searching geography things.
Give an advice to your fellow children on what they should be doing during some holiday times.
Well, you see, at the holiday time, most of you go to visit your relatives. But at your relatives, you do so much activities like playing, all of those. But you should be learning. Just to get some knowledge when you go back to school, you should pass your exams.
Yes, exactly. And also you should be able to like read
Yeah.
by example.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And from that you'll get good grades.
Max, how old are you?
Turning 11.
Right now you are?
10.
Max is 10 years. Ask yourself, when you are at 10 years, what did you know? Ask them. Tell them to comment where.
Comment what you were doing when you were 10.
And when you used to visit your relatives, what were you doing? Playing. So Max,
Yeah.
I'm really happy for you. Did you enjoy the show?
Yeah.
The shows. We are coming up with another bigger one and hotter one, right?
Yeah.
Of geography and other activities.
Yeah.
Questions. See you in the next video. Remember to subscribe
And like the videos.
and like the videos.